Is your Windows operating system reporting the Devobj library DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. Before we begin the manual steps for Devobj library, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This DLL file is the Windows Device Object Library. It manages the creation and tracking of device nodes and interface objects, facilitating the interaction between hardware drivers and the Windows kernel during device operation. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This issue is best handled by the Windows Resource Protection Service. Open an elevated command prompt and enter sfc/scan now to allow Windows to identify and replace corrupted core files, such as the Devobj library DLL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the Devobj library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of the Devobj library DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the Devobj library environment. Thank you for trusting us with the Devobj library repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.